Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today Bitcoin has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and in today's video I want to discuss the next expected targets with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas with you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that if we watch the recent trend of the price line, then price line is forming higher lows and higher highs as well, and RSI is also forming higher lows and higher highs. Right now, the price line was also testing the support of $42,000. The price level support here, we have a very strong support of $42,000. And right now, after testing this $42,000 support level, the price line is likely to have a reversal move from here, and there is a bullish candlestick once again appeared. Yesterday, we had a bullish candlestick appeared on this daily time frame chart, but at the end of the day, it was turned into a bearish candlestick. Right now, after 1, 2, 3, on 4 days, and this is the 5th day, a bullish candlestick has appeared, and I'm expecting that it will be ended as a bullish candlestick as well. Now, if we are going to have a reversal move from here, then we are going to form another higher low, and if we are going to form another higher low, then we can also form another higher high as well, and we can also break out the next resistance, very significant resistance of $42,000 that we have. And previously at the several places, this $44,000 has been working as a resistance and support as well. Therefore, right now you can see it is working as a strong resistance, and we had a very strong rejection here last time on 10th of Feb. And right now, after this reversal, we can expect that during this move, because I'm expecting that it's going to form another higher than previous high. So it is going to break out this resistance. Now let's take a look at this breakout from this falling wedge. The destination of the price line can be here at the tail of this falling wedge. That will be approximately at $43,800, very close to this next resistance of $44,000. So there is a very high probability that within next few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days, the price line is going to make another attempt to break out $44,000 resistance level. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.